Umtirang baka jalai konrad kesama loong baka de kamram ka jalaban pej baka jingbo ikpor para ka de banlong hak tu jaka kam ta papan pau ban lor kusuk sain umtirang ba loong ru baki bor para ken pedu wat ban ta la kam ronal lani kam tu umtiem ki banan hak tu jaka.
There are 2-3 aspects to what you have asked me, so I'll take a few minutes to cover that. Number one is that it's the government's responsibility to ensure that security forces are present in locations where they're required. In the beginning, or rather when the incident happened, and also on the day of 15th of August on Sunday, there was a lot of chaos. And in this situation, there was a request from many sections of society that CRPF and central forces should not be present. Therefore, keeping that aspect in mind, we decided that the Meghalaya Police, MLP, would be present in certain locations. And then we spread it out, as the days and hours went along, we started spreading it even more and more to all locations. Now, there were individuals and certain organizations who stressed that there should not be any presence. But then, as I said, the government clearly communicated to everybody that fine, the central forces will deploy in other locations, but Meghalaya Police Force will be there in locations which we feel are sensitive. And accordingly, we have deployed them, and they have been there, they have been there since then. And coming to the point that all these different activities are taking place, which you mentioned, obviously the government is making sure that all these aspects also are looked into. Law and order is a very broad subject, and overall making sure that illegal activities don't take place is also within that jurisdiction. And therefore, all those aspects also are being looked into. And as I said, we have deployed our Meghalaya Police Force in all these locations, and there is sufficient manpower there. Coming also to the point of, as you mentioned, that certain individuals or organizations had mentioned that they do not want forces. Again, I beg to differ, because there have been many organizations, many groups, many Rangbashnongs who have told us that there should be Meghalaya Police Force available in different locations. And so there has been support as well as demand for it, and we have accordingly placed them. There could be 1 or 2 individuals who think differently, but majority have stressed and mentioned that the Meghalaya Police Force should be present. And so therefore, based on that, my reply in short is that the forces are present in all the sensitive locations that are there.